Hi, I'm Veronica Wasek, and I empower virtual bookkeeping pros to become confident professionals and business owners. In this video, I will share with you the biggest lessons I have learned from firing bookkeeping clients. Breaking up with bookkeeping clients is hard to do, as the song goes. And I have worked with hundreds of clients and have certainly fired or parted ways with my share of bookkeeping clients. Here are some of my more memorable client breakup stories. Well, let's start with the procrastinating clients. I had a client that we had to wait 2 years to get everything from them that we needed to do their books. Yeah, that client was out the door. Then I had clients that would sort of crawl out of the woodwork. About once a year, they would promise that they would give me everything that I needed to do their books, and then they would disappear. And that would go on, actually, for one client, it lasted about 3 years. They had to go also. Then you have the disappearing clients. I had probably 2 or 3 cleanup clients who signed up for services. They paid for the services and then promptly disappeared off the face of the earth. Never heard from them again. I tried following up with them several times and like I said, never heard from them again. So they had to go also. Then you have the clients who didn't pay. And in particular, I can remember a client who said that he would be able to pay me for my services after I finished the bookkeeping so that he could get a loan from a relative. And he assured me that he would have the money to pay me. Well, you know what happened? He never paid. He had to go also. And then you have the clients who are just not the right fit. They're not paying enough. They're price sensitive. They weren't a good personality fit for me. They were too needy, too demanding. Some of them just were not very nice people. So you guessed it, they had to go. And in the past couple of years, because I've changed my niche to Shopify bookkeeping, I've parted ways with clients simply because I want to work with more ideal clients who are in my niche. So let's talk about the lessons that I have learned from firing bookkeeping clients. Number 1, remove all emotion. You're not breaking up with a client. You're not firing a client. There's a lot of emotion that really comes from thinking that that's what you're doing. You're simply ending a business relationship with a client. It's a business transaction. And remember, you are a business owner, and parting ways with clients is part of being a business owner. Number 2, keep it short. There's no need for long explanations. As I said before, you're just ending a business relationship. Here's something that you might use when you're talking to your client and having that discussion with them about ending services. I am taking my business in a new direction. This means that I must part ways with some of our clients who no longer fit my long-term vision. Sadly, this means that I will be terminating your monthly services as of January 31, 2022. Number 3, it's best to talk to them directly. One of the strategies that I use is to call the client and to use a script and to read my script. And that way, if I'm stressed or nervous about talking to them, I can just follow the script. Number 4, get them out of the door as soon as possible. If you're working with clients who are procrastinators, you need to give them a date by when they need to provide everything to you that you need to finish their books. And also let them know that you'll get their books updated with whatever they provide and that you're not responsible for completing their bookkeeping if they don't respond to you by that date. Have you had to fire any bookkeeping clients? Let me know in the comments what you've learned from your experiences. I'd love to hear from you. I'm Veronica Wasek. Check the description below for all of my resources, including my free Virtual Bookkeepers Toolbox, the link to join my Facebook community, and my online academy for virtual bookkeepers. If this content is helping you, then subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.